Hey YouTube, I've got a 2006 Cooper S here, R53, and I just thought I would discuss the rear wiper blades on these. The 2005 on up Mini Coopers have a different blade design than the 2002 to 2004 models. However, there was a change to this style of wiper blade and arm, and the motor's actually different too. So if you have an older 02 to 04 Mini with the newer style motor, if the motors fail, you have to retrofit to the newer style arm and motor and blade. So this applies to all the Minis that have this style of blade and this style of wiper arm. The older style does not have a slot in here for the washer. So anyway, to remove the wiper blade, the blade snaps into place into the arm here, and the slot in the arm is at a slight angle. So what I normally would do is put one hand here and use my other hand to pop it off. I don't know if I could do this with one hand, but like so. That's how it pops off, and that's the direction of the hook. And as you can see here, there's the pin on the wiper blade. Just line everything up. It should snap into place like that. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified the next time I have a video like this uploaded. Thanks and have a nice day.